Namaskar. Good morning, everyone. How are you all?
You are fine, ma'am.
Very good. Ready for the English class, everyone? Namaskar.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, very good. Just a minute. Okay. Let's join our hands, close our eyes.
करो कैमरा चालू जल्दी कर
Join your hands. Close your eyes, beta, everyone. Okay.
मैं ही सब प्राणियों का प्राण हूँ। मैं ही अग्नि रूपधर इनके द्वारा खाए गए चारों प्रकार के अन्न को पचाता हूँ।
Rub your hands, everyone. Put them on your eyes and open your eyes slowly. Namaskar, children. Everyone in school uniform?
Yes, ma'am.
Everyone? Only 15 have joined the class yet. Okay. I can see
Yes,
Vaishnavi
ma'am.
in the school uniform. Okay, why have only Agam and Vaishnav and Vani given me the names for the competition? Dress like a book character day. Why only 2 entries, parents? From 24 of the strength of UKG class, I only got 2 entries. Yes, very good, Amoli. Beautiful. You made it beautifully, Amoli. Why only so less entries? 2 entries from 24. What are the other 20 going to do? Why no entries for dress like a book character day? Vaishnavi, Riva, Tis, Harshit. What about you people?
Ma'am.
Why haven't I received entries from you people? Sorry?
मैम मेरे पेरेंट्स नहाने गए हैं।
कौन?
मेरे मम्मा।
हाँ, it's okay. What about the others? Why are you people not participating in the competition, everyone? Jia, Heer, Amoli, Aharnish, फिर Preet, Dhruti, Ishan, Riva, Jashu, Niva also this time. Why? No one is going to participate. Yes, ma'am.
मैम हमारे यहाँ प्रोग्राम था इसलिए सिर्फ ज्वाइन नहीं हो रहा था आज मोस्टली।
Yes, ma'am, I'm aware about that. Yes, no problem. I'm not asking
कल
about
से
the
होगा
online
मैम।
class, ma'am. I'm asking about the competition, ma'am, not the online class.
हाँ 0 पीरियड के लिए बोल रहे हो ना 0।
ना कंपटीशन के लिए बोल रही हूँ मैम। ड्रेस लाइक अ बुक कैरेक्टर डे है 22 डेट को। खाली 2 लोगों की एंट्रीज आई है मुझे।
Okay, ma'am.
Only Agam and Vani. No one else is participating in this competition. Why? May I know the reason from you, parents? You can dress them up as any of the book characters. जरूरी नहीं है कि आप बाहर से कुछ लेकर आए. कुछ तो हम करें बच्चों के लिए ताकि वो लोग समझे कि इसका मतलब क्या होता है, बुक रीडिंग का मतलब क्या होता है, इम्पोर्टेंस क्या होता है बुक रीडिंग का. दिस इज ओनली फॉर दैट कि वो लोग बुक रीडिंग सीखे. रीवा, व्हाई आर यू नॉट पार्टिसिपेटिंग बेटा? रीवा, नीवा, प्रांशी.
Actually, ma'am, I just forgot it. That's why.
Okay. What about the others? I have only 2 entries from 24 in our class, which is not a good thing.
Ma'am, will you please now register ourselves?
Ha, sure, no problem, ma'am. I will.
Then, okay, ma'am. Okay.
Thank you, ma'am. What about the others? Kindly ask your parents and let me know, children, कि आपको उसमें participate करना है कि नहीं. You can dress up as any book character, English book character. पर कुछ तो हम करें बेटा. Okay? वैष्णवी, मम्मा को बोलना. Okay, Harshit, Priya. Everyone should participate. Whether or not we win or not, it's not a problem, children. Everyone should participate, okay? Let's see today's classwork and homework, children. Okay, what date is it today, everyone? Can anyone tell me the date today? 22. And what day is it today, everyone?
Wednesday.
Very good. So are you wearing sports uniform? Thank you, ma'am. Are you wearing sports uniform today? No. Wednesday and Saturday is sports uniform. Okay? Wednesday, Saturday, sports uniform. Yes, okay, Vani. Okay. So, date is 19/1/2022. Today's classwork and homework is as follows. We will complete the story we were doing yesterday. What did we start yesterday? Do any one of you remember? What did we start yesterday, children? Which topic? Story. Yes, it was the topic of story कि हमें story में क्या समझना है, क्या देखना है. Okay. So today also the topic is story and we will read. Please off your camera, beta.
मैम कौन सी बुक निकालने?
For now, no book. Okay. Read page number 141 of Zoom Literacy textbook and our homework is same as classwork. Got it, everyone? Zoom Literacy textbook, page number 141 reading. Before that, we will finish what we were doing yesterday. Can anyone tell me which story did we learn yesterday, children? Which story did we learn yesterday? Very good. Oh my God. Excellent. Hungry dog. Okay. Before that, yes, beta. Yes. Got it. Agam. Anshi. Aradhya.
Yes, ma'am.
Aharnish. Amoli. Bhavya is absent. Dhruti. Dhyani. Dhyani is absent. Okay, Harshit.
Yes, ma'am.
Isham.
Yes, ma'am.
Jia.
Yes, ma'am.
Jinal is absent. Janshu.
Yes, ma'am.
Niva.
Yes, ma'am.
Pavitra,
Hello.
Purab,
Present, ma'am.
Pranshi, Pranshi, Riva,
Present, ma'am.
Shrey, Shrey. Okay, Teeth,
Present, ma'am.
Vaishnavi,
Present, ma'am. Present,
Vani.
Present,
Yes, ma'am. Pranshi is present. Vian.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you. We are 21 in our meeting. Please wait, beta. Please wait, okay? I'll tell you which page number to open. Everyone, please wait. Okay, everyone. So yesterday's story was about a hungry dog. Okay, can anyone tell me the name of the characters? Can anyone tell me the name of the characters from that? Okay, very good. The characters were Ram and a dog. Very good. Excellent, children. Very nice. Okay. After that, can you tell me the setting? Can you tell me the place? Oh, 1 minute. Just a minute. Wait, everyone. Harshit, I am doing revision of yesterday. अभी कोई भी पेज खोलने की जरूरत नहीं है. Listen to what ma'am is saying. Okay? Okay. What was the setting? Everyone, what was the setting of the story?
Jungle.
Excellent, Vani. It was a jungle. The setting of the story was a jungle. Okay. Can you tell me the major event? What was the major event in the story? Ah, yes, the dog was crying. Yes. What was the problem? Ah, yes, the dog was hungry. The dog wanted to eat. Vian, close the book. It is not in any book. Okay? Listen. Now everyone please off your camera. See the story. Let's carry on with the story. There was a boy called Ram who lived in a jungle with many hills around him. There were many clouds in the sky. And how was the day, everyone? Can anyone tell me how was the day? It was a sunny day. The sun was shining brightly. There were clouds in the sky and there were many hills around the place he lived. And he was living in a small house. Okay, everyone. So one day, what did Ram hear suddenly? A strange sound of someone crying. And who was crying, everyone? A dog outside his house was crying. And do you know what was the problem with the dog? Why was the dog crying?
Hungry.
Yes, the dog was hungry. He wanted to eat something. So what did Ram see near his house, everyone? What did Ram see near his house? He saw a bone. He gave the bone to the dog. Now the dog is
Happy.
Yes. Before the dog was Before the dog was before eating, before the bone. No, listen to my question, children. Before the dog was pehle he was sad. Before the dog was hungry and sad. Now when the dog got the bone, the dog is now happy. Happy opposite sad. Near opposite. Very good. Very good, excellent. And then we saw the pictures and the vocabs. Cloud, cloud. Sunny में double N और Y में I की आवाज. Day में A. Sun, hill, double L की आवाज. Tree, tr and double E, gr and double E, green. Dog, dog. Bone, O dash. O dash E. Yes, जिसमें O की आवाज आती है, E की आवाज, E की आवाज. Very good. Ram and house. Okay. Then what did we do? We started with the title of the story. The title of the story was Hungry Dog. Okay. And then the main elements. The characters were Ram and the dog. Setting was a jungle. Major event was that the dog is crying. Problem was that the dog is hungry. And what can be the solution of the problem? What will be the solution?
Dog.
Yes. Solution to the problem. Solution to the problem is that Ram gave him a bone. Gave him a bone. Okay, everyone. What was the solution to the problem? What was the solution to the problem? Ram gave dog a bone. Okay. And then now ending. What will be the ending, everyone? What will be the ending? Very good. Very good. The dog is happy. The dog is happy. Yes. See? The dog is happy. Yay. So this is the main elements of a story. Now parents, I want you to listen. Please listen, parents. A minute, please.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, all the parents, I want you to understand this very clearly. This is just a part of a story which I am explaining to students. This is not going to be the part of their exam. All I want them to understand is कि story में क्या होता है. हम story करते जाते हैं. All we know that a story has is a ending. Story में कोई ending होता है और story में कोई moral होता है. No, I want them to understand कि story के elements क्या होते हैं. After this, if they have understood this properly, they can make their own story also. What are the main things a story needs? A story needs a character or a characters. It needs setting or settings. It needs major event. We have to see what is the problem in the story. We can see the solution in the story and then ending of the story. This is how a story is written or said or narrated. This is it they need to understand. This is very simple. I can even give you people a format and I want every one of you to make a story. कैसे बनाओगे story? जो format मैं आप लोगों को भेजूंगी उसमें आपको characters, settings, major event, if there is a problem, notify the problem, give the solution and the ending of the story. And you can always give a title and a seek, जो हमें सीख मिलती है उसमें से. Got it, everyone? You don't need to make a very big story. You can even make a story from your daily routine. Today this happened, yesterday this happened, once when I was small, ये हुआ था. Let them make their own story. Let them imagine. This is for their sentence building also. इससे उनकी vocab भी अच्छी होगी, sentence building भी अच्छा होगा. Okay, parents? This is not going to be a part of their exam, so don't worry at all. But I want them to understand the main elements of a story. Story क्यों की जाती है और उसमें क्या होता है, क्या देखना होता है. Okay, parents? I hope it is clear to everyone. Please answer in the chat box if possible.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.
And I hope students enjoyed the story also. Did you all enjoy the story, everyone?
Yes, ma'am.
And did you understand? These are the elements of a story. आपको अब जब मैं आपको भेजूं, फॉर्मेट भेजूं, तब आपको अपनी स्टोरी बनानी है। जैसी भी आए आप स्टोरी मुझे बनाकर दिखाना। ओके? यस और नो? आई विल सेंड यू द फॉर्मेट ऑफ द स्टोरी। आप उसको पीडीएफ को निकलवाइएगा, प्रिंट निकलवा कर अपनी स्टोरी बनाएंगे और मुझे भेजेंगे। ओके? Okay. Thank you. Now let us take our Zoom literacy textbook, children. Zoom literacy textbook. Open to page number 141. 141.
141.
Sorry. It's 140. Sorry, 140 everyone. Very sorry. 140.
Yes.
Please write down CW. I'm waiting, beta. I'm waiting. Don't worry. I'll wait. It's 140 of Zoom literacy textbook.
Story में करे था।
I'm sorry. It's 140, not 141. Okay, beta?
અહીંયા હું આ CW ને ઈ લખી નાખ, ડેટ લખી। ડેટ આજ કઈ છે? 1990 1 પેલો મંથ જાન્યુઆરી 1
Okay, so let's start everyone. Ready? Picture story. Which story is this everyone? This is a picture story where there are pictures given in this picture. Or. What is or everyone? What is or? What is it called? It's bossy R. Or bossy R. Okay. Picture. Story. Story में Y में किसकी आवाज आई? Story. Double E. Yes, E की आवाज आई. Very good. Picture story. Yes, very good. Thank you. Let us read. Read में EA. Read. जिसमें A की आवाज. Yes, this is vowel phonogram E. Okay. The picture story. Let us read the picture.
स्लीपिंग लाइन और वो जो लिखा है वो हमें भी करना है।
Yes, please. Yes.
मन लखवा।
Okay. The title of the story, everyone. Please write here title. What is the title of the story? What is the title of the story? The Hungry Caterpillar. The Hungry Caterpillar. Okay? Okay, everyone? See, the main elements of a story. Elements of the story. Title, check. We saw the title of the story. The Hungry Caterpillar. The Hungry. Y में किसकी आवाज आई?
मैम टाइटल का स्पेलिंग दिखाओ ना।
The Hungry. Gri. Hungry Caterpillar. The Hungry. Yes, beta, please write it down. The Hungry Caterpillar. Double L. Caterpillar. Or.
I believe.
The Hungry Caterpillar. Can you people see my book properly, everyone?
Yes.
The Hungry Caterpillar is the title. Okay, everyone? After the title, settings. Okay? Now, let's start reading. Once there was sorry बेटा इसका स्पेलिंग ओके वेट हमने अभी सेटिंग नहीं देखा है लिसन चिल्ड्रन हमने अभी सेटिंग नहीं देखा है ओके फर्स्ट लेट्स रीड द स्टोरी आपको फिर सेटिंग पता चलेगी
मैम आपका बाजू में सेटिंग
There was a green caterpillar. This is the picture of a caterpillar. Once there was a green caterpillar. एक बार एक green caterpillar था. Okay. Tell me what are the characters of this? Characters? Picture में से character पता चलते हैं आपको?
Yes.
What are the characters? Yes, very good. Character is a caterpillar. Caterpillar फिर butterfly में बदल गया. Caterpillar. Character is caterpillar. Who is the character of the story? The character of the story is a caterpillar जो later on किसमें बदल जाता है? Butterfly में. Yes, okay. So once there was a green caterpillar. What was the color of the caterpillar, children? It was green in color. Okay. He was very hungry. So tell me what is the major event, children? He was very hungry. क्या प्रॉब्लम थी कैटरपिलर को? क्या प्रॉब्लम थी? The caterpillar was very hungry. He climbed. He climbed a tree. He climbed a tree. Okay. Because he was hungry, what did he do, children? He climbed the tree. There were many leaves on the tree. There were many leaves on the tree. क्या था ट्री के ऊपर? ट्री के ऊपर क्या था? Yes, बहुत सारे लीव्स थे. ट्री के ऊपर बहुत सारे लीव्स थे. The caterpillar ate, ate and ate till his stomach was very full. The caterpillar ate and ate till his stomach was very full. कैटरपिलर कब तक खाता रहा लीव्स को? कब तक खाता रहा? Till his stomach was full. मतलब जब तक उसका पेट फुल नहीं हो गया तब तक उसने खाते ही रहा. And he became very fat or big. He became very fat or big. Okay, everyone. Because he ate and he ate and he ate until his stomach was full, he became very big or fat. He decided to rest in a cocoon. He decided to rest in a cocoon. Yes, बेटा. ककून मतलब पत्ते से बना हुआ उनका घर. पत्ते से बना हुआ उनका घर. What sound do you hear in cocoon? Cocoon.
डबल ओ।
एक्सेलेंट, डबल ओ, यस यस, डबल ओ। ओके, वो फुल हो गया। उसके बाद उसने डिसाइड किया कि मैं अपने ककून में सो जाता हूँ। ही crawled, crawled inside and remained there. वो ककून के अंदर चला गया और वहीं पे सोता रहा। When he came out, he was a beautiful butterfly. He was a beautiful butterfly. जब वो ककून से बाहर आया तो वो क्या बन के आया? क्या बन के आया?
बटरफ्लाई।
Yes. He fluttered. Flutter कैसे होता है पता है? ऐसे ऐसे flutter होता है दोनों पंखों से। करो तो everyone. He fluttered. He fluttered. Yes. He fluttered over the lovely flowers. Flowers के ऊपर मंडराने लगा and had a great time. Okay everyone? So this is it for today. We did a story on page number 140. Main elements हम कल करेंगे. Okay everyone? I hope you enjoyed the story. Okay, it's now time for your GK. It's time for your GK class. Kindly join it. Thank you. Namaskar. Have a good day, children. Same. 140. Reading of page number 140. Okay? Thank you.
Okay, ma'am.